In this video, I'll show you how to install prescription lenses for the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. Let's give our prescription lenses a quick check.
Grab your Air Pro.
Pop off the nose pad. Grab the prescription lenses, align them with the tab on the nose bridge, and just snap them into place. Now, just slide the nose bridge back into the glasses. It's that simple, and the best part, it doesn't affect the storage case at all. Removing them is just as easy as putting them on. Just take out the nose bridge, slide the prescription lenses off, and then pop the nose bridge back onto the glasses. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@ANNKUTVR.com.